dog tier list. Oh wait, let's start from a Chihuahua. Kinda good, cause I have a Chihuahua, but we're gonna save that for the end. Golden Retrievers are kind of meh, cause they're really good pets, but still. German Shepherds. Let's put them in kinda good. Husky. I have a Husky mixed up with a German Shepherd, so kinda good. Also, kinda good. Pomeranian puppies. The goat. They're so cute. And pugs, mid. Like, I like them, but still. Maxine, which is a German Shepherd and a Husky. Kinda good. Jessie, I don't know what she is, but still. Kinda good. Jules, the goat. She's very cute. And Princess, the goat. Stay tuned for part 2.